Reka mbabwire inkuru y'umwana w'umuhungu wakundaga kwicara munsi y'igiti cy'umwembe akibaza iby'isi n'abantu. He used to ask himself a lot of questions. He used to ask himself why. Questions will run through his mind like rainfall, but the answers will be scarce like time in the moments of goodbye. But the only question he asked himself a lot was, why hating on another? Why? Why there has to be you and I instead of us? Why there has to be them and us instead of everyone? Why make bombs that will kill everyone? He used to ask himself a lot of questions. Duhagaze mu mayira amahitamo nabi. Kuki dushora muri kirimbuza kugira ngo dushore mu kubaka ejo heza hazaza? Kuki tutakubaka paradizo ibereye buri kiremwa? Kuki tutakubaka ejo heza hazaza habereye buri muntu wese n'ikiremwa cyose? Kuki tutakwimakaza amahoro? Someone once told me that peace is the moment we are reloading our guns. Why not silence them, all of them, just for once and for all? Why not build peace for everyone? Why not love another one just because of minor difference? I think LOVE sounds a lot nicer than HATE. For the people of the Great Lakes region, let's come together. Let's be one people. Let's strive for the economic growth of this region. Let's bring up one together, because in togetherness we rise once and for all. In search of interest to sharpen selfishness, we go to war. We light the fire of violence. Polarization steals chaos, giving free rein to distrust. What if we took a fresh dose of love and dignity to quench once and for all this crazy thirst for war that highlights our identity differences rather than living together harmoniously? Because when humanity comes to the fore, glory, happiness, tranquility will be entangled. So much in the same body, so much for the people of Great Lakes region. To rise to the top, this peace on the flag of social cohesion.